so now as we rotate your shoulder, you can see the back of the shoulder. Here's more in the front. There's the bicep sutures. And all that's moving together as a unit. We're going to now get to work placing our patch on. Okay, so this is our rotation, Smith-Nephew device. We've placed some staples in already. We're going to place some staples in this corner now. And we're covering up our repair, as you see there, right over the middle. This is the medium-sized implant. Okay, so we're done placing down the implant, the Regeneten. We've got 4 absorbable staples here on the medial and anterior and posterior edges, and then we've got 2 bone staples. There's one there, see they're kind of white, and there's another one there. And so now as we rotate, everything's moving together as a unit. There's a pretty good shot of it, and now we've got that patch. Okay, so we're going to finish up and get you to the recovery room shortly. I don't see anything bubbling up in the middle. I don't see a need to put another staple down. So we're going to finish up and get you back to the recovery room. Good luck to you now. Bye-bye.